Need my help? Baby pike. Oh my God. Tangled right up.
Ooh, something bigger than the perch.
Pretty pike. Pretty. Whoa. Literally when you get back. Literally when he gets back from the wheeler, his pole's bending. You wanna help him? I'll record it. Oh! Hey, Dad!
Better than a tip up.
Oh my God! Seriously, what is going on right now? What do you got?
Nope, pike. Oh boy, I don't have a drag set on this. Drag don't work on this. There we go. Jeez.
What is going on?
I can't get down. We need tip ups. Got him in the eyeball. Got him right in the eyeball.
Ah! He's skinny. Long.
It's a bass.
Oh, it is a bass.
It's a bass.
A bass. Woo, David.
Jesus. Oh no, it's going that way.
Going that way?
Yeah, it's going that.
Big old pikey. Ooh, come on, baby.
Little old pikey.
Oh! Perch, that's a keeper. Boom.
I debated 3 times if I was going to change it or not. I kept looking at it.
Ooh, saw it that way. Going slow. Got him?
Nope.
No? What? He was hauling. Oh.
I'm doing awesome.
Got it?
Yeah.
Pike, perch. Oh!
Look at that.
Sideways. Oh, it's moving.
Go,
Get it, Damon. Gonna be a 10-pounder.
10-pounder.
Got him?
Yeah.
Nice one? Ooh, pike?
Yep.
Feels like a heavy one.
Come here, buddy. Get it up to the hole.
Oh, cash money!
There's one.
Woo! Those, get him?
Yeah, got it.
Pike, gotta be. The way he's fighting. Ah!
Yeah.
Little. Should be able to see.
Is it on?
Yep.
All right.
Holy crap!
Your screen's
going
cracked.
that way. Just tap it.
Tap what?
The screen if you can't see it.
I can see it's cracked though. Running.
Got him. Not very big. Hey, big old
Hey,
perch.
whoa.
Top one.
Two.
Hey, Damon.
That one again.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
Damon.
Thanks, sir. Oh, humming! It's humming. I was gonna go out of line. It was, oh my God! Look at it fly! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Wow, it is almost out of line. Look at that.
Look at, almost out of line. It's got to be a 10-pound bass.
Thing was flying.
Oh, there we go. The old 315 bite, maybe? No. 319 bite.
Whatever time it is, that's the bite of it.
319 bite. Get him?
Big.
Ah!
Boy, you are little. Something big, because we haven't had something big. And go. Gotcha, Daddy.
Perch? Oh, I told you.
Woo! You want to grab right onto her?
You grab it and yank it. Pull up.
No, you got it.
Oh, bastard. All right, here is a summary for the day. First thing I want to point out is when I was looking at the weather app in the morning before we went, I was pretty excited because it was a high number above 90. So I was really looking forward to the day. We got to Lake of the Isles. You'll notice at the beginning that we were fishing near shore and it was kind of deep, pretty deep there. We fished there for maybe an hour or so, and my dad and Andy kept moving outward towards shallower water, and that's when we started getting the bites on the jig poles for the pike. So we ended up moving out to shallower water, and that's where we ended up getting most of the flags later on that day. So that was pretty interesting to see. We're probably fishing between 4 and 10 feet catching them. Perch, pike. We had a ton of flags, as you can see today. Weather-wise, it was pretty warm. It did get up to probably about 8 degrees Celsius. Pressure, you notice, it definitely kept dropping. Don't know if there was any relationship to fish, bites, or whatever then. Wind speeds were low. Not very much. Maybe on average 4 miles an hour, which really isn't anything. Relative humidity, if you did notice, it did drop down. It was like probably 55% and it dropped right down to maybe almost 40%. And it seemed like right around where that drop was, kind of when it started getting sunny, we did get a little bit more bites. And it did seem to kind of follow the peak from the fishing app for pike and perch throughout the day for small percentages around 12 p.m. Similar to the fishing app that said 93% for around excellent, around about midday. So it seems like these apps are relatively kind of accurate. Again, it does depend on where you fish. Like if we fished that deep spot all day, we wouldn't have caught anything. So knowing where to move, knowing when to move, knowing kind of where to fish, weeds, sometimes maybe shallow, just all depends. So overall, great day. Had a blast. Tons of flags, tons of fish to keep and to eat. All right, I hope you enjoyed and take care.